Hello, my friends, and welcome to this morning yoga stretch in bed. This is going to be great to release tension and stiffness and wake up your entire body. When you're ready, meet me in a comfortable lying down position on your bed. Extend your legs out long, your arms by your side. Just take a second here to connect with your breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth. On your next inhale, reach your fingertips long overhead, coming into your first full body stretch of the day. Exhale to relax and release down to your bed. And we'll do that one more time. On your next inhale, reach through the fingertips and the toes. And exhale to relax. Let's begin by taking the right knee into your chest. When you get there, give it a little squeeze. Start to roll through the ankles, going in one direction and then the other. From here, spinal twist. Guide your right knee up and over to the left. Your right arm extends out to the side in the shape of a T. Gaze can be up and over towards the right fingertips. With every inhale, breathing deeply into the twist. With every exhale, allowing your body to relax and release. On your next inhale, slowly guide your right knee back through center and just take it over to the right side just for a moment towards your right armpit, opening through the inner thigh and the groin area. Slowly release your right leg down long and take your left knee in towards your chest. Give it a little squeeze. Find ankle circles going in one direction and then the other. From here, finding a spinal twist. Left knee comes up and over. Left arm extends out wide, shape of the T. And take your gaze up and over towards those left fingertips. Slowly bring your left knee in through center. And then over to the left, just to take a little bit of a counter, bringing your left knee towards your left armpit. Taking full deep breaths in and out. From here, squeeze both of your knees into your chest. Give yourself a little rock from side to side. We'll come up to a seated position. So roll onto one side into like a little fetal ball. Take a big breath in when you get there, and then slowly press yourself all the way up to seated. Soles of the feet come together, finding a butterfly. You can play around with your placement of your feet here. If you take them further away, it's going to be a little bit more accessible. Sit up nice and tall. And then slowly allow your body to just hinge forward, finding a gentle forward fold. On your next breath, walk yourself back up to a seated position. Soles of the feet come to the bed. Finding a figure 4 stretch. We'll start with the right leg. Cross right leg over left knee. Your hands can be behind you for some support here. Allow your right knee to open out wide. Right foot is flexed. You should feel this all through the right hip, the right glute. Try to keep that openness through your chest here. Maybe even taking your gaze slightly up. One more full deep breath in. And we'll release that, coming onto the other side. Left leg crosses over right knee. Make sure your left foot is flexed. Your chest stays open. Good job. Release your left foot. This time, left leg goes out long. Right inner foot comes to left inner thigh. Revolved head to knee pose, reaching your right fingertips up and over. Almost as if you're trying to get your left ear towards your left knee. And see if you can make yourself even longer through your right fingertips, keeping your chest nice and open. Slowly come up through center. Right fingertips come behind you on the bed. Left fingertips to your right knee, coming into a twist. Inhaling to sit up tall. And exhaling to deepen the twist, looking up and over your right shoulder. Unravel yourself. We'll do that on the other side. Right leg comes out long this time. Left inner foot to right inner thigh. Sitting up nice and tall. Reach the left fingertips up and over. On your next breath, find that twist. Left fingertips come behind you on the bed. Right fingertips to your left knee. Inhaling to sit up tall through the crown of the head. Exhaling to twist. Slowly release your twist. Cross your legs. Hands come to your knees, finding a cat-cow, inhaling to look up. Exhaling, tuck your chin, look down towards your bed, spread your shoulder blades nice and wide. And just take a few rounds like this at your own speed. Sit up nice and tall. We'll end with some neck mobilization. Right ear towards right shoulder. Allow your head to drop forward, your chin to tuck towards your chest as you roll all the way over to the left. Pause for a moment and then come back over to the right. And just take a few more like that. Find one more to each direction. Meet me in center, and we'll inhale to reach the fingertips up, making your body as long as you can, feeling that stretch all through your side body. And exhale, cactus your arms out to the side, opening through the chest. And we are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me this morning. I hope you enjoyed that one and you're feeling amazing. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Bye.